Hello, and thank you for taking my course on getting started with the Spring Framework and JDBC. My name is Nicolas Kok, and I will be your instructor. The main objective of this course is to get you to understand the fundamentals of JDBC and to teach you how to use the Spring JDBC template for accessing relational databases from Java applications. For my YouTube students, this slideshow is the first in a YouTube playlist. The playlist URL will be listed in the description and comments of this lesson. All source code for this course will be available for free in a GitHub repository. Our course objectives are first to understand the fundamentals of the architecture of Spring JDBC and the underlying technology stack. To this end, we have to look into the history of the development of JDBC. In the second module, we will look at how to set up our development environment for the course. Then we will look at how to set up, configure, and use database connections. In the fourth module, we will compare the use of standard Java JDBC versus using the Spring JDBC template in Database Access Objects or DAOs. In the final module, we will create a full create, read, update, and delete sample backend application using the Spring JDBC template. A look at our course prerequisites. Here I will expect you to be familiar with Java programming and have at least a couple of actual working applications under your belt. It will certainly also help if you have some familiarity with modern Java IDEs such as Eclipse or IntelliJ, although if the command line and text-based editor is your preferred way to do Java development, you will be fine. Finally, it would really help if you understand the basic concepts of relational databases such as tables, primary keys, and foreign keys. How to get the most out of this course? Do the exercises with me as I do them. The source code will be made freely available in a GitHub repo where you can fork it for each lesson and compare it against your own code. Study the external links provided in the resources for a deeper understanding. This is for those of you interested in the underlying theory. And finally, post your questions in the Udemy forum. Please provide the examples of your source code. I am still currently fully employed as a Java senior developer, but I will try to check in and answer your questions as best as I can.